In today's video, I'm going to teach you how I use Notion for travel planning, template included. We'll start inside Notion, already logged in, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, head to your profile in the top right corner of the app. That little profile button opens the menu where Notion keeps tools you'll use to customize your workspace, including access to the template gallery. This is the fastest way to grab a ready-made setup without building everything from scratch. From that menu, click Templates. You'll land on Notion's template gallery, which is organized by categories and use cases. Instead of browsing, we're going to jump straight to what we need. Use the search bar at the top and type Travel Planner. The gallery will filter instantly, showing options related to trips, itineraries, and planning. If you don't see results right away, give it a second to load or check your spelling. Search is exact. When you see the Travel Planner option appear, click on it to open the details. This preview shows you what's inside before you add it. Usually a clean itinerary database, sections for reservations, packing lists, budgets, and notes. Take a moment to scroll the preview and read the description so you know how it's structured. Templates like this are designed to be flexible, so they work whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a multi-city trip. Next, click Add to bring the template into your workspace. Notion will create a new page with the full planner, ready to use. Depending on your setup, you might see it appear in your sidebar immediately. If you work across multiple spaces, make sure the correct workspace is selected as the destination. After it's added, your page is live, and everything you saw in the preview is now editable. At this point, you can start planning right away. You'll typically see an itinerary database where you can add dates, locations, and activities, plus separate areas for flights, hotels, and transportation details. Think of it as your single source of truth for the trip. My tip is to keep your key details, confirmation numbers, check-in times, and addresses, right in the relevant entries, so you don't have to hunt for them later. If you're traveling with others, you can invite collaborators to the page so everyone stays aligned. And if you like to plan on mobile, the template works great in the Notion app, so your itinerary is always in your pocket. That's it. With a few clicks, you've installed a complete travel planner in Notion, and you're ready to map out your next adventure with clarity and ease.